Rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm trying to be with you.
Hey you guys, so in today's video I wanted to come back and give you an update on this unit from HairSpells, as well as show you my summer curly hair routine. It is definitely effortless and affordable, so if you are interested in seeing how I get these curls popping, go ahead and stay tuned. So my curly hair routine is definitely effortless. I'm starting off with my hair wet. I just went ahead and wet it in the shower, but if you wanted to, you can just spritz your hair down with a water bottle. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add on the screen exactly the 4 items you need to achieve this look. So I'm going in, as you guys can see, with my OhSo Miracle Curls conditioner. This is the key ingredient, besides water, of course, to getting my curls popping. So if you have always wondered how I get my curls to look just super hydrated and defined, then it is definitely a hydrating conditioner. And also using a detangler brush will help diffuse the product through the hair, and it also enhances and defines the curls. Do you see how that brush slipped right through this hair? This unit is amazing. And if you keep up with me on my social media platforms, you have been seeing over the past 2 months, I have been rocking this unit constantly. The second thing that you see me using right now is my Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. After adding the final product, I like to go in and scrunch the hair. This enhances and defines the curls. Yes, another major key, okay? So make sure you go in and you just scrunch up your curls to get them as defined as possible. So I'm going to clip my hair back in a direction that I want it to dry, and I will be right back. So now my hair is approximately 90% air dried. And sis, do you see that definition? You may notice that I went ahead and added some highlights in this hair. I'll talk about that again in a little bit. So what I'm doing right here is I am just fluffing the hair out. I typically do this when my hair is 100% air dried, but this particular day I was getting ready to head out, so I just went ahead and did it prior. I'm going to give you guys information about this hair on the screen, as well as anything that you would need to know in my description box, so be sure to check there. I will also have my initial review in my description box as well, and direct links to this wig and HairSpells.com. Please check them out. I have got amazing feedback from you guys who have been loyal customers to HairSpells. Ooh, see the hair in the natural sunlight? Yes. Oh, and let me talk about how this hair took the bleach, sis. Amazingly. It did not alter the hair any. Only thing I needed to do was deep condition the hair, and we were back on, okay? So I decided to incorporate a small clip of what I do at night to maintain my curls. So with this curly hair routine, you do not have to repeat these steps every day. The only thing you will need to do the next day, if you tie your hair up really good, the only thing you're going to need to do is spritz it down with water and you're out the door, okay? Excellent. So if this video helped you out, be sure to leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.